Neem oil is not the only oil in town anymore when it comes to insect control. Let's talk about some of the new advances in essential oils that are helping gardeners and greenhouse growers alike all around the world. More and more companies are realizing that people want to move away from toxic and harsh chemicals, especially when it comes to things like houseplants or spraying inside of their homes. So there's a revolution going on right now where more companies are introducing and experimenting with all kinds of different types of essential oils and seeing what effects they have against different types of pests. Neem oil has long been the go-to essential oil for gardeners, and some of these companies are still using neem oil, like this one from We the Wild, but they're adding all kinds of other stuff to the neem oil to make it more effective at killing and repelling different pests. While other companies are ditching neem oil completely, like this one is a spider mite and aphid control, and this one uses rosemary oil instead of neem oil. Sesame oil is also one that is being widely used to target different types of pests, and others that are becoming more popular now are clove oil and peppermint oil. And this is a really exciting time for organic gardeners and people that are just wanting to use more safe products in their greenhouses in their homes. So what we're finding is that these oils can kill or repel pests in a number of different ways. Some of the heavier oils, what they do is they will actually smother the pests. So by covering the exoskeleton, it doesn't allow them to breathe. Others are a little bit more caustic. So as they get onto the exoskeleton, they will actually dissolve the exoskeleton, causing lots of problems for those pests. Some of the other oils will even disrupt the brain function of those pests so that they kind of forget how to eat or reproduce, and that will crash their population as well. But a lot of these oils, what they do have in common is that they are good at repelling pests. So by spraying regularly onto your plants, if those pests do come around, they will hit those smells and feel that oil, and they'll decide to go somewhere else. Just something to keep an eye on for you home gardeners that are looking into safer and more effective ways to treat pests.